Why drugs are not given in their original pure state? Answer: to improve stability, to improve bioavailability. Name the different type of material used for making of containers: glass, plastic, metal, paper. Give the list of equipment used for mixing of semi-solid: tripper, roller mill, agitator mixture, planetary mixture. Write the Darcy law equation. आंसर आ जाएगा V इज इक्वल टू के ए डेल्टा पी बाई रो एल। यहाँ एन नहीं आएगा, यहाँ रो आएगा, यहाँ टाइपिंग वो सिंबल नहीं मिला मुझे इसलिए इसने यहाँ पे एन लगा दिया है। इनलिस्ट द डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ मेसरेशन प्रोसेस: सिंपल मेसरेशन प्रोसेस एंड मल्टीपल मेसरेशन प्रोसेस। नेक्स्ट है नेम एनी टू इमल्सिफाइंग एजेंट्स: ग्लिसरीन, ट्रगाकेन, क्लोरोफॉर्म। नेम द डिफरेंट मेथड ऑफ साइज रिडक्शन। आंसर आएगा कटिंग, अट्रेशन, कंप्रेशन, इम्पैक्ट। नेम द डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ मेटल्स यूज्ड इन द कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ collapsible ट्यूब्स। तो आंसर आएगा एल्यूमिनियम, टिन, लीड। वाई आर एडिटिव नीडेड इन प्रिपेयरिंग डिफरेंट डोसेज फॉर्म? आंसर आएगा टू इम्प्रूव प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ डोसेज फॉर्म। नेम द वेरियस फार्माकोपिया कॉमनली यूज्ड इन इंडिया। तो आंसर आएगा इंडियन फार्माकोपिया IP, ब्रिटिश फार्माकोपिया BP, यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स फार्माकोपिया USP। What are the different containers made from plastic? तो PVC, polystyrene, HDPE, LDPE। Define the term unit dosage form consisting of dosage which are taken by numbers. Example: tablet, capsule, pills, powder. What do you know about illitration? Answer आएगा size separation by sedimentation। Define the term clarification: remove impurities in a liquid। Enlist the diluent used in tablet। Answer: starch, lactose, sucrose, dextrose, mannitol, sorbitol। Name any two factor which affect size reduction: hardness, toughness, stickiness। Name the method used for separating two immiscible liquids: steam distillation। Name any two materials used as a filter at diatomite and perlite। Mention the official grades of powder: coarse powder, moderately coarse powder, moderately fine powder, very fine powder। Name any two coloring agents: NATO, titanium dioxide, ceramide। Define lubricant with one example: increase flow property of granules, example sodium chloride and boric acid। Silent separators are used to separate the suspense of a solid in a gas। The emulsion meant for external use should be oil in water type। 1 teaspoonful is equal to 4 ml, 1 tablespoonful is equal to 15 ml, 1 dessert spoonful is equal to 8 ml। Amber color are used for storage of photosensitive product। Size reduction is done by trituration in pestle and mortar। Lozenges are so designed as to exert a local effect in the throat or oral cavity। A preparation which is free from viable a local effect in the sterile product। Disintegration time of uncoated tablet is 15 minutes। Disintegration time of entry coated tablet is 16 minutes। Ophthalmic formulation must be isotonic with lacrimal secretion of eye। Silvergen emulsifier is used to mixing of two miscible liquid dosage form। Very fine powder must be passed through sieve number 120। Capsule shell is made of gelatin। Fine powder must be passed from sieve number 85। Colloidal mill is used for homogenization of two miscible liquid dosage form। Friability test limit of tablet as per IP is less than 0.8%। Define emulsion: an emulsion is a biphasic liquid dosage form containing two immiscible liquids, oil in water and water in oil। Define positive mixture: when two or more than two miscible liquids are mixed or soluble solid is dissolved in water, the mixture are called positive mixtures। Define perfect mixing: perfect mixing is that in which each particle of one material lies as nearly adjacent as possible to a particle of the other material। 1 drop is equal to 0.06 ml, 1 quart is equal to 2 pints, 1 quart is equal to 1000 ml, 1 fluid decarum is equal to 16 minimis। 1 pound is equal to 0.45 किलोग्राम। डिफाइन द टर्म कम्बिनेशन: कम्बिनेशन का मतलब साइज रिडक्शन भी होता है। तो कम्बिनेशन इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ reducing drug into smaller pieces, coarse particle or fine powder। What does term desiccation mean? Desiccation is the process of removal of moisture in closed glass vessel desiccator by dehydrating agents such as anhydrous calcium or anhydrous lime. 1 pint is equal to 500 ml.